I'm going to show you guys my nightly routine. So let's go. I typically don't wash my hair every day. In fact, I don't really wash my hair a lot. I hate stripping my hair of its natural oils, so it's obviously beneficial for me to just relax with the shampoo. I don't even use normal shampoo that you get from like the drugstore or something. It's definitely grown in the past 6 or 7 months. I've actually been tracking how my hair has been growing. With I have like two white hairs on the top of my head. I don't know. It's somewhere here, but it started off as like this long, and then like yesterday it was like this long. So it's definitely been growing with the help of not showering, actually not washing my hair every day. Like I shower every day, and I definitely use, I got it from Amazon, and it's definitely been helping. I haven't been taking it every day, but it's been helping. And then this is helping as well. I mean, I'm not sure if it's directly related to my hair growth, but it's been helping with like my nails, especially. My nails have been growing pretty nicely. But I'm gonna step into the shower. I'll let you know what I use in the shower. I got this from Marshalls, and it's really, it's literally a bath and shower gel, but I use it on my hair, and it's so good. Like, it's awesome. And then I have this Paul Mitchell Instant Moisture Daily Shampoo, and then this is one of my favorites, this Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tangle conditioner. I usually use the shampoo and conditioner together, but this time I ran out of the shampoo, so I'm just using the conditioner. But anyway, I'm going to step into the shower. Tonight. I have a little pimple right here. Out of the shower, so I'm going to show you what I think I might be wearing for work tomorrow. I have to wake up around 7 o'clock, and then around 8:30 I get to work. So I think what I'm going to be doing is, let me put this down. I'm going to wear this right here. Got this at Banana Republic. It's like semi-formal. The office environment isn't that crazy, like strict, so I can get away with wearing just a sweater, although it's really cute. And then just these slacks, again, from Banana Republic. So yeah, so this should do. Oh man, I gotta do laundry. Okay, and then my trusty Louie. Gotta get back to my hubby. Nah, we're not married. To watch a movie downstairs and promised I would watch a movie with him, so I'm gonna go and watch a movie. Alright, see you later. Have a good night. So it's easier for me. So